Hi guys, in this video we're going to have a look at how we can design our scenes with new elements, and to do that we're going to go to the scene design elements, open this up, and inside scene design objects in here we can simply drag and drop any object in here and place it right over here and place it wherever we want in the scene and rotate it, etc. So let's choose something else. Let's choose cancel. Let's delete this and let's choose, for instance, let's see what we have. We have many icons, as you can see. Let's choose this ETH icon. Simply drag it in there. Press S for scale to scale it to the desired scale. And then I'm going to give it some animation. To animate this, it's the same as we did before. I'm going to go to the object animations, start, and simply pop in. So double click on that, and as you can see, it will pop in. Now it is too large in this case, so go to the last keyframe, and I'm going to use something like a 30 and give it the desired size, so maybe 20%. And then place it wherever you want it to be. So maybe we can add it in here. And let's play it. And as you can see it scaling in, popping in right there. Perfect. So that's how you add the elements. Now you can also add some text elements. So for instance, let's add a price tag. Simply drag it in there and do the same thing for animation. So just add the animation from here. And of course you can tweak and add your own text in here. Simply double click on that and enter into it. And if we go back, we also have some text blocks which we can add. So just put that in there, and of course if you enter into it you can tweak the text very easily. So that's basically it for the text. So let's make this to full, and once you are happy with your scene you can go ahead and render. So to render, simply go to composition, and so I would like to render this scene. Set the endpoint of it, so N for endpoint in here, and the start. Go to now to composition and add to render queue. Now I usually like to render in QuickTime animation format, so QuickTime and animation, and click OK. Then select the destination you would like to render this in. So click save and simply hit render. Then usually what I like to do is, after this renders out, then I import this into another After Effects composition and use that to build different scenes together. So you can simply hit render for that, and then bring in the scenes back into After Effects and edit them together to create your own story if you'd like, or else just render it into an MP4 format and use it right away if you would like just to have a single scene. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoy using this toolkit and find it very useful for your project. Thank you very much for watching.